In this video, we're going to put numbers in order from least to greatest. And they're going to be bigger numbers. They're going to be in the thousands, okay? So first thing to do is not to get intimidated or afraid of these numbers, because you just break it down in steps, okay? So step 1, count the number of digits for each number. So they each have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next step is compare each digit starting from the left. So starting with the highest place value. So we start with the highest place value for each of these. And we could see that this one is bigger than 2, right? So we automatically know that this is the biggest number. So we know this one is going to be last, right? Because we're stacking them from least to greatest. So we already know the answer to 1, and now we just need to worry about these two numbers to figure out which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So let's compare them. So 2410 and 2530. So like I said, we start at the left, the highest place value. They both have the same thousands digit. So then you move to the next digit. So the next digit is the hundreds digit. So when you compare 4 and 5, you know that 4 is less than 5. This means less than, right? So you know already that this is the smallest number. So 2410 is less than 2530. The least number is 2410 and the next least number is 2530. So what's left is to put them in order. So 2410 is the least, the next least is 2530, and the greatest is 3890. And that's the end of that problem. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. Also, if you need extra help, there's more links in the description with videos that are similar to this.